Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. So, this is lesson 6, video 1 from my English reader. So, children, today we are going to learn the lesson Jungle Safari. So, you might have visited the zoo many times, right? You might have seen many animals also. Same here, Jungle Safari means going into the jungle in a vehicle or boat and seeing the animals from near. So here the narrator was telling the story of his visit to Kanha National Park. Let us start the lesson. My excitement was at its peak. We were going to visit Kanha National Park, which provided setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic novel, The Jungle Book. So they were very excited to visit the Kanha National Park. We slept early that night so that we could get up early the next morning. So as the alarm rang, they got up and started getting ready, like his sister and the narrator. I jumped out of our beds and quickly started to get ready for one of our thrilling journey ever. So they were very excited and they got up that is they got ready very fast to go to visit the Kanha National Park. A visit to Kanha National Park on a boat. They were going to visit the Kanha National Park on a boat. This was their first time, it seems. So they were very excited. This Kanha National Park. As we approached the lake, the foggy weather did not deter our spirits. We approached the lake and the weather was very foggy, and that did not discourage them. There was an exclusive boat waiting for our family. They had to go on a boat, and it was ready. They quickly hopped into the boat. While the mist unfolded over the waters of the vast artificial lake, mist means small droplets of water as the weather was foggy. He was mesmerized by the beauty of the nature around him. He was really excited and he was very happy to see that weather around him. Soon the mist started clearing as the sun rays appeared. So the mist started clearing. We saw the colors of the lake waters turn from silver to golden. That means generally when the sun rays fall on the lake, it appears like some orange color. Is it not? That's what he is telling in the story. The rays of the sun kissed the waters, which dazzled my eyes. Suddenly the rays fell on the water and it reflected into my eyes. Suddenly I spotted a herd of samba deer close to the lake waters. Herd, number of samba deers. Deers, one kind of deer. Samba deers means they are one kind of deers. They have horns on their head, long horns. He saw them. Their agility and swiftness left me impressed as they disappeared into the forest hastily. It's not hastily, children, just correct it. It is Hastily. There is a small mistake. So, that samba deers moved very fast. That impressed him. They disappeared. That means deer generally run very fast. Is it not? In the same way, they, their fastness, that is their quickness and their movement into the forest impressed this narrator. See the picture? Children, those are the Samba deers. With a determined resolve and calm mind, they started the trek. They decided to start their trek. Trek means small, that is slow, difficult journey. We pretended that the knowledge of bears, pythons, and cobras being present in the forest did not matter to us at all. In the jungle, not only deers, there will be many other animals, bears, pythons, cobras, everything. And actually, they are on a boat. So, something might happen. That is, It's the forest. So generally we'll have some fear. We may get frightened. But what they are doing actually, they are pretending. They are acting that they are not at all frightened. But actually they are fooling themselves. Is it not, children? Yes, we were scared, but at the same, we were excited and keen to go ahead. So, of course, they were scared, but they can't come back. They have to go in an excited manner. On the way, they saw the footprints of elephants, bears, and tigers. They also saw that watchtower in the forest, and it was very beautiful to view the forest standing on top of the tower. Tired but enthusiastic, they came to the end of the trek. So they were tired. Finally, they came to the end of the trek, that journey. They came to the end of the journey. So now they have to return back. The journey was completed. They have to return back. Before that, they decided to immerse their legs in the cool waters. So they wanted to put their legs in the waters and enjoy themselves. It was so beautiful to see that swarms of fish, lots of fish in the waters. When they kept their legs inside the water, they could feel the fish. And also the sight of the family of tigers. Just they saw one family of tigers before they returned from their journey. It left them amazed. The father, the mother, and two baby tigers are all together in one place. They saw them. It appeared as if they had just come to meet them, who came from Delhi. It appeared in that way, it seems. So that it was as if they had come there to meet these people who had come from Delhi. With this beautiful sight, that means the sight of that family of tigers, their boat journey of Kanha National Park came to an end. They had to return back. It was and will remain an unforgettable experience of his life. So it was an unforgettable experience of this narrator's life. So I think all of you have understood this lesson. Now let us go through the exercises. Find the words for the given meanings from the text. So you have to find the meaning of this words. First one, discourage from doing something. It is deter. Next one, quickness. It is swiftness. Next, overwhelm. The meaning is thrilled. Next, expedition. The meaning is journey. Next, on the basis of the story, read, organize the events in the correct order by writing the number against each sentence. First one, we have to arrange the sentences accordingly. So all the sentences are jumbled. We have to that is arranged in the correct order. First sentence is, we got up early in the morning. Next, there was a special boat for our family. Third one, we saw a herd of sambar deer close to the lake. Fourth one, we began trek with calm minds. Fifth one, we saw the footprints of elephants, bears, and tigers. Sixth one, we put our legs in the cool waters of the lake. Seventh one, we spotted a family of tigers. This is the correct order. Next, words used like herd and swarm are collective nouns. I think all of you have learned in the practice chapter 1, that is collective nouns. I think all are familiar about this. Let us go through them once again. Find the collective nouns for the group mentioned below. A group of sheep, it's flock. A group of wolves, it is pack. A group of monkeys, it is troop. A group of geese, it is gaggle. A group of tigers, it is pack. A group of whales, it is pod. So flock, pack, troop, gaggle, pack, pod, all these are collective nouns. So children, there is a small assignment. You have to read the lesson and answer the following questions. What is the narrator excited about? Second question. How did the lake water turn from silver to golden? Question. Write the answers. I'll give the answers later.